Hello everyone, today we are going to see together the basic principles of friction stir welding, how you can join two metal parts thanks to this friction stir welding tool. A friction stir welding tool has two parts. The shoulder, which will make the friction against the part surface, generating the heat, and the pin, which will be inside the two parts to stir them together. We have two different welding configurations, lap weld and butt weld, which is the one we'll make today. To perform friction stir welding, we need to hold the parts so we are sure they do not move. That's why we need a dedicated clamping jig. The friction stir welding operation starts with the rotation of the tool. The tool plunges vertically between the two parts, and the first goal is to make the pin enter between the two parts. Once the shoulder touches the surface of the part, the machine starts to advance and the tool moves all along the welded seam. During the weld, the material which is at the front of the tool is moved at the back by its rotation. Let's imagine that this part is blue and the second one is yellow, then the result would be a green joint. To test the weld, we cut a strip of it, and to ensure that it has good quality, we will make a bending test. Friction stir welding is already used on many applications in different sectors, such as automotive, aerospace or rail, and these are two examples of real parts that you can make by friction stir welding, for structural applications like this one, or for cooling applications. If you want to continue your FSW journey, do not forget to subscribe.